Have you ever wondered who will be the last human on Earth to have a job? We talk about artificial intelligence taking over the world, automation destroying careers, and robots becoming smarter than us, but no one asks the real question. When all jobs disappear, who will still be employed? And even more important, what will that person do? To understand this, we need to look at the truth that most people are afraid to face. We are entering the greatest economic shift in human history. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool. It's becoming a worker, then a thinker, and soon, a creator. And once machines can do both physical and cognitive labor better than us, the job market collapses. Let me show you how this transformation is happening right now. AI is already replacing people. Customer support, automated, video editing, AI tools, coding, AI assistants write entire software, design, AI can make logos, websites, and ads in seconds. Doctors, AI diagnoses diseases faster than humans. Lawyers, AI builds legal documents in minutes. The World Economic Forum predicts over 83 million jobs will disappear in the next few years due to automation. And that's just the beginning. Within the next decades, almost every job done by humans today will be either replaced or controlled by AI. But wait, if machines take over everything, how will humans survive? The answer is, we won't work. But we will still have a purpose. And yet, there will still be one last job that artificial intelligence can't replace. Before we get to that, let's eliminate what it won't be. The last job won't be programming. AI will write better code than humans. It won't be medicine. AI will understand biology at a molecular level. It won't be teaching. AI will personalize learning better than a human tutor. It won't be engineering, design, law, accounting, or architecture. AI will outperform us in each of those fields. Even creative jobs are in danger. Music? AI already composes emotional tracks. Movies? AI generates scripts, voices, and actors. Art? AI can paint masterpieces. So, what does that leave us with? Leadership. No, AI will outperform human decision-making using perfect data. Politics? Maybe, but governments are already experimenting with AI to design policies. Physical labor? Robots. Emotional support? AI therapists already exist. Spirituality? Believe it or not, AI has already written religious texts. So again, what is the last human job? The last job will be the one thing no machine can ever truly do. Define why. Not how. Not what. The last job on Earth will belong to the human strategist, a person who decides direction, purpose, and meaning in a world run by intelligent machines. Think about it. AI can optimize anything, but it has no values. AI can calculate everything, but it has no beliefs. AI can produce results, but it cannot choose what truly matters. Only humans can decide. What future should we build? What goals are worth pursuing? What should we protect? What is right and what is wrong? In the future, AI will run companies, run governments, run systems, but humans will define the mission. That means the only people who survive professionally in the age of AI will be those who can lead machines, not compete with them. And what skill will define these people? Not memorization, not technical skills, not even intelligence. It will be vision. The last job requires 3 abilities: asking powerful questions, creating meaning and purpose, guiding intelligent systems toward ethical outcomes. Let me give you an example. Imagine 2 people in the future. Person A learns AI tools to get a job. Person B learns how to use AI to build something with a purpose, a solution for the world. Person A will be replaced. Person B will become unstoppable. Because the future doesn't belong to people who follow instructions. The future belongs to people who decide direction. That means one thing. If you want to survive the AI revolution, you must stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a strategist. The worker asks, "What do I do?" The strategist asks, "Where are we going and why?" So now comes the final question. How do you become part of the last generation of humans who will still have a job? Here are 3 steps. Step 1, build AI leverage, not AI fear. Learn AI deeply, not just tools, but how AI thinks, how to prompt, how to direct AI systems. AI is not your enemy. It's your army. One person with AI can now do the work of 10 people. Tools don't matter, direction does. Step 2. Develop critical thinking and vision. Learn to identify problems worth solving. The world doesn't need more content, it needs solutions. People will follow those who see the future first. Train your decision-making, long-term thinking, and storytelling. Step 3. Learn to lead, not control. You won't manage people, you'll manage intelligence. Leadership in the future is not about authority. It's about clarity. It's about choosing a mission and using AI to make it real. Leadership becomes a skill anyone can learn, not a title. AI will not destroy humanity. It will force humanity to evolve. We are entering a world where survival doesn't go to the strongest or the smartest. It goes to those who have purpose. So, who will be the last human with a job? You, if you choose to be. Not a programmer, not a designer, not a manager, but a strategist. A human visionary who knows where to go next. This is your invitation. Don't wait for the future to happen. Build it.